In 1924, Walter Shewhart introduced his control chart. The control chart is the graph on the top right beside his image over there. A control chart is a graph that's used to study how a process changes over time in business entities. Data are plotted in time order, and a control chart always has a center line for the average, and that's the blue. It could also be called the mean, and an upper and lower control limit, and those are the red lines on the top and the bottom. So these lines are actually determined from historical data. Shewhart also developed the Shewhart cycle, which was based on more core elements of planning, doing, checking, and acting. These principles started being implemented in the healthcare sector in the 1980s in order to organize the proper functioning of medical institutions. Therefore, efficiency and quality have become considerably associated with the financial aspect of healthcare services.